Hey, what's up guys? It's me again, and today we're doing another food review. Doing a TacoBell. Doing a TacoBell food review. We're doing two NACHO the two Doritos Locos tacos and one NACHO BELLGRANDE. And it was all provided to me free by the management there. So make sure to say thank you to Taco Bell for providing us a donation to do the video. And so shout out to Taco Bell. Anyways, guys, we're kind of doing this because of the Taco Tuesday stuff. If you guys don't know about Taco Tuesday and the free tacos that they're giving away on Tuesday at Taco Bell, be sure to check it out. But yeah, let's get right into this before my food gets cold. So I got two Nacho Doritos Locos tacos, and if you don't know what these are, I'll show you these in a second. And then I got one of these. I got a Doritos, a Nacho BELLGRANDE. Look at my, that's there. I got a Nacho BELLGRANDE right there. You can see that. And then I got a fork, and then I got some napkins right here. So I'm gonna put this one in the bag. And so shit, let's get right into this. So when I unwrap it, you can see right from the start, it's supreme. So it's got the tomatoes in there, the lettuce, the sour cream, the cheese. It's got like a little taco holder and shit. That shit's like the packaging quality of it's like 10 out of 10, 5 out of 5 basically. So yeah, let's get a video of it, like crunching in my mouth. Try to use the wrapper here so it doesn't like spill all over me. Sorry guys, this video might get messy. These Nacho tacos are really like messy. Holding the camera between my legs right now. I'm gonna shut the fucking door. The wind's blowing through. I'm back to the fucking light a little bit for a little bit of shade. There we go. With the sour cream and the beef and the cheese, that shit tastes fucking phenomenal. The one complaint about these kind of tacos, it tastes fucking absolutely amazing, but they crunch. They always get them. See, look at this. This is a fucking mess report right here. They always get messy when I eat these things. Things are hard to eat. Like no matter what, they crunch and you lose some of the cheese and shit. You lose some of the lettuce. I'm a fucking fatty. Not literally, but you know how I feel. I'm trying to miss out on my delicious food. I wish there was a better system for that. Alright, let's get right into my Nacho BELLGRANDE here. Sorry. Spot right there. I pulled the radio out of this car. It's a junker car. It has like 150,000 miles on it. And I pulled the radio out, so right where my camera's sitting right now is where the radio normally is, so. Let's get one of these loaded up so you can get a close up of that. Like, look at that shit. It's fucking fire. Like these kind of these Nacho Bell tacos are fucking amazing. I like the packaging of them. Everything. I rate these 5 out of 5. Like, if I was going to go to Taco Bell, like, the two things I'd definitely recommend you is a Nacho BELLGRANDE, and then I'd order 2 Doritos Locos tacos or something like that. Like order the Supreme ones too. They cost more, but Supremes are so good. I'm telling you, it's a really good experience. You do not want to miss out on it. I mean, I'm smashing these motherfucking things. They taste so good. The only thing I have to complain about them is sometimes they don't put enough cheese on them. Or sometimes they put too much bean on them. It's normally what they do. Not enough cheese, too much bean. Like, these are so notorious for not having enough cheese. And you always end up with some, like, really, like some, like, soggy chips. But it's not bad. Get a lot of beef with it. This shit's fire. Yeah, Nacho BELLGRANDE has bean, meat. It has bean, meat, cheese. It has tomato on it. And then it's got the chip. It's pretty good. It's just like loaded up Dorito. It's just like a loaded up nachos, basically. Whew. It's like all that bean, all that cheese, and all that sauce right there. Make sure to check out my my website, and if you guys could donate, that'd be great. Like just a little bit of money to my Cash App. I'm not doing too good. Yeah, I'm driving around in used cars and sleeping in shitty little apartments right now. And just a little bit of money right now could get your boy fucking out of this shithole, So please donate to my Cash App below. $1, $2 could help. $5, $10, or if you want to send me some money so I could do like a food review, or if you want to like send me anything, let me know. I could like give you an address or a PO box you could send everything to. So let me know what's up. I remember I had a couple donators already, so this is all legitimate. I actually do take the donations and use them for the YouTube channel, so be sure to check it out. Make sure to like, comment, rate, and subscribe. I need some subscriptions. This fucking 10 out of 10, fucking smashing this shit.
This is some good shit right here. It's well worth like the $8 you spend. I don't even remember how much it is. This comes out to like $13 total though. Like $14 total, which is kind of expensive, but it's worth it. The Nacho BELLGRANDE is the one you can share with a bunch of people if you really want to share it. The 2 Doritos Locos tacos are just fire. You eat one, you're going to want to eat 2. I'm telling you. Oh. So, we're going to put this off to the side. We're going to finish my other taco. And then we're going to let you guys get on with your day. Thanks for staying tuned and watching the video. Really appreciate the views, guys. The only reason why we're still here is because all my viewers have been sticking with us this whole time. So I'm using the top of that Nacho BELLGRANDE. It's like a table right here. Ooh. Look at that taco. I got that fucker loaded up. Ooh. Ooh, this is fucking fire. Oh yeah, look at that. Get a close up of that. See that? Look at that crunch right there. Makes me want to zoom in a little bit. Yeah, there we go. I just want to zoom in for you guys a little bit. Let you guys get some close-ups. I know some of you guys like watching this just because you guys like to laugh and shit. So I'm just trying to be silly here. I'm trying to give you guys some close-ups here. That shit's fire as fuck. Got seagulls outside and shit. Got some big ass fucking seagulls. I almost want to zoom back out. Show you guys some seagulls here. I don't know if you guys can see them, but there's some seagulls outside. Fucking flying around everywhere. Right where that gravel patch is, if you can see it, there's a gravel patch over there, and there used to be a whole bunch of eggs that were there. Was a whole bunch of seagull nests. You can see them all running around and shit. I'm not sure if you can see it or not, though. I'm using my cell phone right now. I've been trying to switch to use my cell phone because it's like a fucking pocket camcorder. Some people don't like using it. It's not professional, but we're a budget YouTube channel, so I don't really care. You guys want me to start rolling around with something more fancy? Make sure to donate. Right now I'm using an Armor X7 Pro. It's like one of those like waterproof phones, so I shouldn't lose any of my video footage or anything. Smarter recording device than you think it is, because then if something happens, like say I drop my phone in the water, at least I don't lose my video footage. You know what I mean? So. That shit's fucking flame. TacoBell food review. I love fucking TacoBell. Still got my nachos left. Sell you guys these on Patreon for $100. No, I'm joking. Maybe if I was like PewDiePie, I could get away with shit like that. Yeah, I'm just gonna finish these nachos right quick. You don't get to see me too often. This might just be a 20-minute long video, guys. Oh, I wish they wouldn't put so much bean on it. The bean kind of tastes like dog food a little bit. I wish they'd add just a little bit more cheese. That's why if you're working at Taco Bell, please just put a little bit more cheese on these. Maybe just a little bit less bean. Like, here, I'll give you a close-up. See, there's bean left. There's dry chip left. There's even a couple tomatoes left. There's meat, but there's like no cheese. It's like dry as fuck. Like Taco Bell. Like, what y'all doing? Look at this. It's dry as fuck in this motherfucker. You know, these are like $7. I'm not really bitching or nothing, though. It's all good. It's a good day. I'm just saying. I'm saying it to be kind of funny. I'm just saying, guys, like, if you guys are wondering why Taco Bell sales ain't doing too good, because you guys are skimping the cheese. So, yeah, that's about it. I'd rate these as probably like a 4 out of 5, just because like they're skimping on the cheese a little bit. These are normally like a 5 out of 5 though, if they do it the right way. But sometimes they don't do it the right way. Like, I'd say this menu item is a 5 out of 5 when you got all like the you know, when you get like the perfect bites and everything. But like the way they prepared this one, I'd say it's like a 4 out of 5, maybe even a 3 out of 5, just because they skimped the cheese, you know. I feel like I'm just eating bean chips, like bean dip now. Yeah, so maybe this has happened to you. This has happened to me too. You just get like bean dip, like around the end of it. Look at that. Look at all those empty chips. I almost want to feed those to the seagulls, but I'm not that way, so maybe I'll feed a couple of them to the seagulls. See if I get a seagull on camera. Yep, we got a seagull. Yeah, see that seagull right there? Yeah, that's how hungry these fuckers are. You throw it to the ground, they're like they pick it up instantly. Here, I'm gonna throw one. Yeah, see they ran off. Yeah, see them? Fuckers are hungry as fuck. Not gonna feed any more of them just to make sure they don't come and terrorize me too much. Just want to show you how hungry these fucking devils are. You guys gotta come down here and clean these fuckers up for us. Fucking, these things are like trash pigeons.
You ain't really supposed to feed them. Throw a chip to them if you want to, though. At least I do. I don't give a fuck, but throw a chip to them or two. Yeah, that's what's left of it. I feel like I'm a fucking Kenyan over here. Eat my dry tortilla chip. Like, fuck you, man. Dude, this is bullshit. Oh, that about cuts it short, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Please donate. Please donate to my Cash App. Check out my other videos. Check out my website. And like always, guys, thanks for watching. Peace out, guys.